So we have something exciting going down today outside, some progress in the backyard, and it has to do with our fire pit. Let me just throw on some shoes here real quick. So the guys are here and we already have the travertine laid for this special area, a big circular travertine pad, and the guys are going to design the fire pit today. So my husband had an awesome idea of making this smokeless, and we're going to see how it works. We've seen lots of videos online about doing this project, and I'll show you what we did next with these holes. My husband put holes into the fire ring, and then there's also going to be holes, not holes, but cutouts in this block so that you don't have a yucky, smoky fire.
Okay, we're putting holes equidistant on this ring, and what I'm using, it doesn't matter how much distance is between, as long as it looks even, so it doesn't, when you're drilling holes, it looks aesthetically nice. So what I've done is I've made a template, and I just make a mark every so many inches. I'm going to put a punch to start the drill bit, and then I'll run my step drill straight through to make the hole.
And how many inches do you have in between here?
Well, I didn't actually measure it, but I have, it's probably about, 2.5 to 3 inches between the center of each hole. Okay. 2, 1, ready? And I'll punch the next one. And it leaves a little indentation so the drill bit doesn't walk.
Here's the package of the drill bit, and here's what it looks like. Whoa. It's called a step drill bit because...
Yeah, it steps down. It takes a little bit off at a time, and by the time you're done, you have a hole. It's 1.25 inches, 1.1 inches.
Just like fire, burning up the way. If I can light the world up for just one day, let's do this. Let's do this. Are you ready for a comeback? Are you ready to fly? Let's do this. Are you ready for the moment? You ready to die? Let's do this.
These guys are carrying these really heavy pavers, and that's going to be the base for the fire pit.